Pero hindi mo na kailangan.
Sali ako sa coach, pero dapat kayong dalawa nandun.
Sasali ka sa coach.
Oo.
Sige, kami contestant.
Hindi, couch lang pala. Hindi ako
Couch,
sa
okay. Okay. Anyway, di ba kanina we used to be one, divided by two. Ngayon, meron tayong kanta sa mga hindi makamove on. Yung mga yan. Oh, yung mga ayaw pang tanggapin ng katotohanan. Naka-move on na tayo. Ayaw nila. Sila.
Ah, ganun. O sige, basta...
Naka-move on na ba tayo? Naka-move on ka na ba?
Yes, ano ba na...
Sige, may violence.
Alam niyo, marami kaming mga... O siya, at ako, ginagawa mga shows. Siya, ako rin may ginagawa mga shows. Pero... Talagang mas maganda yung nangyari ngayon. Kaya tayo nagsama ulit, di ba? Because sometimes, everybody needs a second try. Everybody needs one more chance. So let's give it one more shot.
Nag-iinisan kami lagi. Okay.
Yeah, we should.
Okay, I
We should,
haven't
we should.
started. I'll ask you first, Papa.
We should. Go. Dali, para marinig nila.
Should we stay or should we say goodbye? Hindi po ito pera o bayong. Hindi po namin kasali sa hindi po contest ito, walang sasagot. Okay.
Isa pa lang
Sabi
natin.
lang, no, yes. Ano ba yun? Okay, joke. Okay.
Should we stay? Okay.
Walk away or give it one more try. What a waste to let our dreams just die. And as the days go by, we'll always wonder why.
Wow. Are we glad to find that one day we're free? Is this what we really want to be? Brand new lives, we need to have so much. It really is quite tough. When love is
Not enough. Tell me why did we find each other only to part ways in the end? Tell me how we learned to love each other, and tell me why two people have to change. Was it life that made us today? Hurting words we should not even say. Hold my hand and look straight in my eyes. If we can say
yes.
goodbye, then we're worth one more try.
Dito ka lang, huwag kang aalis. One more time.
Hindi. Ikaw na ito. Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat. Palapan po natin, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Yes. And I present to you right now the one that beat Chad Madela, Gabby Concepcion.
Pare,
I'll
hindi ako
just
nagsabi
change,
nun, pare.
okay? Excuse
Hindi ako nagsabi
me, I love you, I'll be
Tingnan
back.
niyo siya ng mabuti. Tingnan niyo mabuti. Picture. Yes. Now
My
you can
puson
walk
is smaller.
2 or 3 steps out. Okay. Please, go out a little bit. And then look back again. Picture.
I'm gonna
picture.
build a snowman.
Okay.
Mukha akong ano.
Miss Sharon Cuneta!